This lesson deals with Supplemental Problem 11.4. You can find this problem in the ECE202 ebook in the Chapter 11 Supplemental Problems on page 8. Given the modified integrator of Supplemental Problem 11.2, can you find the output as a function of time for different inputs? In particular, let's take an impulse input with an area of 1 over 5,000, and then a step input with an amplitude of 30 millivolts. Going back to Supplemental Problem 11.2, we have the transfer function, V out over V sub s, which we found with these values to be minus 10k over s plus 100. So now to find other outputs, we're just going to take V out and set it equal to this times V sub s. Right, now V sub s now is an impulse with an area of 1 over 5,000. So multiply the transfer function by 1 over 5k. 10k and the 5k become just 2, so we have a minus 2 over s plus 100. And the inverse Laplace transform of that is minus 2 times e to the minus 100t times u of t. This is a time constant as a reciprocal of 1 over 100, that's 10 milliseconds, and so we have that our output for this impulse input is minus 2 times e to the minus t over 10 milliseconds times u of t, and the units are volts. Using the same procedure then, we take our transfer function, multiply it by our next v of s, which was a 30 millivolt step. 0.03 times 10k is 300. They get minus 300 over s times s plus 100. So you can write that as some k1 over s plus k2 over, and then k1 is going to be equal to this expression times s and setting s equal to 0. Terms cancel, we get minus 300 over 0 plus 100, that's equal to minus 3. k2 is multiplying by s plus 100 and letting s equal minus 100, so these terms cancel. And I get a minus 300 over minus 100, or just 3. So V out for this input is minus 3 over s plus 3 over s plus 100 in the s domain. And the inverse Laplace transfer then would be a minus 3 plus 3 times e to the minus 100t times u of t. And then we'll write this again as a time constant. So 1 over 100 is 10 milliseconds. We could pull out a minus 3 here, so we have minus 3 times the quantity 1 minus e to the minus t over 10 milliseconds times u of t, and the units are volts. And this is Supplemental Problem 11.4.